We're here in the woods today with Hunter Jeff. He claims that he was chased by a moose.
There was a big moose. Big brown one. Tried to eat me yesterday. I'm gonna get him today.
Should we? I think we should get this one, you guys. What do you say?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do it.
Moosey, moosey, moosey! You wanna try that again? Hi, big moose. Big moose, like you're in it. You ain't gonna do it today, big moose. But you can't, big moose.
Moose, 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 moose,
Moose! 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 It's a moose! I found the moose! Bang! 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 I think the moose drew him.
Wet moose. Wet moose. Wet moose.